talk about. Okay, how many people are still left to join? Who else is left to join? Okay.
Dhruv and Shambhavi.
Okay, so Sambhavi तो busy है अपने दोस्तों से बात करने में. Okay, so let's continue. I'm not waiting. I'm going to record instead. So we will do question number 6. And before starting, as always, we have a bad habit of like revising things up again and again and again. I'm going to inculcate this habit into your mind as well. So that was the principle of our institute. Let's continue. Question number 6. Curves of, okay, before moving on with the class, what is the total surface area of cuboid? Yes, can you tell me the total surface area of cuboid?
Pi r square h.
LH.
Eh? Who was pi r square h?
नहीं वो अभी वो क्या कहते हैं
2.
इसको
Listen carefully what I'm trying to ask you.
Sir,
Total
2.
surface area of
total
cuboid. Yeah, of
यार
cuboid.
अच्छा cuboid भैया 2
Sushant is trying to tell me something. You
where
be
2
silent
L
now. Sushant बता रहा है.
H.
मंत्र मुझे अपना
भैया
अच्छे से बताना है.
भैया मैं बता दूं 2 LB plus BH plus LH HL
Good. What is curved surface area of cuboid?
2 HL plus B
Now I'm going to ask this question to Yash. How much distance is covered in one revolution of a cylinder? This is a question from like previous session. If you remember, we did a kind of an experiment. Who can answer me
So
this?
what?
What is the distance covered in one revolution of a cylinder?
2 pi RH.
Very good. 2 pi r. It's equal to the curved surface area. Right. So let's start with the question number 6. So curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. So it is always a good idea to write what is given. So it's given that the curved surface area of cylinder is 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base is this, radius is this, find the height. Find the height. It is a very easy question. And the easiest one in this exercise, I will say. See, the curved surface area of cylinder is what? Balak?
pi r 2 pi r
चाटा खाएगा आज ये विभव में
2
से 12 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच पाई आर स्क्वायर में रहेगी 2
भैया मैंने
pi
2
r h pi r square
मैंने
h is in the volume section. We haven't come to that part still, okay, yet. So 2 pi r h is my formula for curved surface area. Now the curved surface area in the given question is 4.4. Now 2 pi is 22 by 7, r is 0.7, h has to be calculated. I will just put this decimal here and here. I'm not going to calculate this for you people. You need to calculate for me. Quickly tell me what is the value of h instead of looking at the back of the exercise. Okay, that is one way of doing it. Are you people doing it? See, I'm not able to see any one of your faces. So why? Take your time. It's okay if you take your time. As long as you are doing it instead of just watching others do it.
3.168.
Waiting for others as well. Okay, others, I got your answer. What about others? Others are sleeping.
बे समझ नहीं आया थोड़ा
कोई नहीं, I will do it.
H 44 upon 10.
Yes. Okay, so I will do it. And that's really sad that only one student is able to make it to the answer. So let's cancel out 7 with 7. Okay. You can cancel out 10 with 10 also if you want to here only because this 10 will get here and it will be in multiplication. You can do it in this way, right? You can cancel out. This will make your stuff easy. Now 2 times 22 is 44h. It is 44 here. H is 44 by 44. That is 1. So that is like the easiest part of mathematics, the whole universe for me actually. I think it should be for you now, right? Are you people able to get this? How I did this calculation within few seconds?
Yes, sir.
So there's one thing doing calculation. There's one thing doing a better calculation or faster calculation. How can you do faster calculation? Yes. Anyone? How can you do such calculations? By being a teacher? Mhm.
Sir, you use tricks.
Here I haven't
Vedic
used
tricks.
any kind of tricks. You can see. नहीं यहाँ पे तो कोई trick use नहीं करी.
Vedic math.
Practice.
Practice. That's right. The word I was looking for, practice. See, there are two things. One is called talent. Another one is called skill. I never had a talent for maths. Never. It was one of my weakest subjects, if I will say. But skill is developed like crafting it every single day, literally. I've been in touch with maths every single day. So skill is something that is developed day by day. So even you can do this. If you just, I'm not asking you to do maths every day. If you can, that is a good idea. But if you just practice it a bit, you can understand that these calculations can be done in an easier way. There may be other people, other students who will do it in this way that I will just multiply the whole stuff in the numerator, then in the denominator, and then the cross multiply and everything. That will make my stuff difficult for me. And I don't want difficult things. I want easy things. Okay. So I still motivate you people to do practice even in the online classes, even if these sessions are getting recorded. I don't want you to be like idle at your home. Okay, practice these. So let's talk
सर ये
about question.
रिकॉर्डिंग सेंड कर दोगे?
Recording send हाँ कर देंगे. Okay, send me your email personally कर देना मेरे को फिर से मैं कर दूंगा. Okay, क्योंकि चैट में बहुत पीछे चले गया होगा. I can send it and text me immediately after the class. Okay, for the recording, I will send it. I have all my recordings in the folder for your final exams. You need not to worry. Push Shambhavi is telling me invalid meeting aa raha hai. Okay, just let me make a call to Shambhavi. Shambhavi may be clicking at a wrong. You people try question number 7. Try the first part. I will check your answers.
भैया 110
Hmm.
110 meter square.
The inner diameter of a circular well is this. What is a well? What is a well?
Kua. Kua.
Kua. Okay, so it's a kua. It doesn't have to be a well, it has to be a kua. Okay, so we have a kua. Okay, हमारे गांव में जो है वेल ट्यूबवेल होती है जिसमें हम सब बचपन में काइंड ऑफ सारे नहाते थे and it was fun. They have done the same thing. It's like a great feeling when you like take a bath in an open well. हाँ बढ़िया लगता है. And you jump into the water. So this is kind of my kua as Weber said it. Okay. Now the inner diameter is 3.5. So it has an inner diameter. So it has an inner diameter of 3.5 meter. The diameter is 3.5. It is 10 meter deep. What do you mean by deep? What do you mean by deep?
Height.
That the height is the depth. That is the height is 10 meter. Find inner curve surface area. So it's talking about the inner curve surface area, the part like this one, right? So the curve surface area will be, what is the formula for curve surface area?
2 pi RH.
2 pi RH. So how can I do it quickly? What will I do here?
22. Wait, 22 divided by 7 into 3 into 5 into 10. 10 से 10 गया.
Do we need to like calculate the radius first?
No.
भैया वो 3.5 है डायमीटर है ना तो 2 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत ही नहीं.
Good. We can actually use this. 2r is actually nothing but diameter, isn't it? Now let's put the value of diameter here, 3.5. See, the calculations are not up because of decimals. See, people like get scared like this is a decimal. What will I do? So they are very easy. 7 times 5, 22 times 5 is 110 meters square. So I have my answer, 110 meters square. Is it clear? The first part?
Yes, भैया.
Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
second part, the cost of plastering this curved surface area, I need you two people to do it. I have my area something like this. Per meter is 40. What will be the cost for this one? It's very easy. You can just multiply it here. Like
4,400.
4400, right?
Yes, भैया.
So is this clear? Do I need to do this one?
Yes, sir.
1 meter square
Yes,
is
sir.
like 40 rupees. 110 meter square will be rupees. So it's called unitary method, bache. So 4,400 rupees. So that's my question number 7. Let's go for question number 8. I have a heating system this time. Question number 8. I need you people to read it out once. Okay, then we move on.
रेडिएटिंग मतलब
Radiating means something that is going on, that is passing from one point to another point.
इस क्वेश्चन में कि हॉट टू
I will make you understand. पहले थोड़ा read करो, देखो क्या क्या समझ पाते हो, क्या क्या quantities दे रखी है.
ये इसमें इस क्वेश्चन में है कि एक गर्म पानी का सिस्टम है उसको गर्म रखने का जिसमें एक पाइप है जो सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में है जो 28 मीटर भैया लंबी है और 5 मीटर उसका डायमीटर है. तो हमें इसमें निकालने की उसका जो पानी है उसमें कितना आता होगा इस पाइप में.
बाकी सबको क्या लगता है? वैभव ने जो अभी समाचार बताया वो सही है? Yes, my audience, because audience is one that doesn't speak, right? So
Yes, sir.
So okay, I got an answer from the audience. So in a hot water heating system, there is a hot water heating system. So what is happening? Let me take my old cylinder here. Okay, so this is my kind of a cylinder. So in a hot water system, there is a cylindrical pipe. This is my cylindrical pipe of length 28 meters. So my length, depth, height, there are numerous ways to call this thing, right? This is called length, height. If I keep it in this way, this is height. If I call in this way, this is called length, right? If I call in this way, this is again depth, right? So that there are various ways to call this thing, right? And the diameter is 5 centimeter. This diameter is 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. So what I mean by radiating surface is, bache, the part where the water is actually touching. Okay, so water will not touch these parts. Water will only touch the curved surface area part. Are you people getting it? It's a practical kind of a question. So if I just put some water into it in a great pressure, so the water will pass by only through the curved surface area, isn't it? So it will only touch the curved surface area. So what we need to find here is curved surface area. Who got it? What I'm trying to tell you? Yes.
Yes, भैया समझ आ गया.
So don't get confused with the total. Okay, so total is that means I need to find total curve surface. That is absolutely incorrect. Okay, not incorrect. It's incorrect. Okay. So did you get it?
Yes, भैया.
So
Yes,
I
sir.
want you to do one thing in your NCRT. Kind of do this thing and write curve surface here. It will be helpful for you. I can assure you this. Okay, because you may. It has happened lot of times. I've taken so many batches. It has happened so many times. In exam, they just see this total thing and they calculate total surface area. Okay, so I don't want you to do this. There's a better way to do this. Just write curve surface in brackets so that whenever you come across, you remember that it is actually curve surface that I need to find. So question number 8. In a hot water heating system, there is a hot water heating system. Again, I'm drawing it. My best attempt at drawing a cylinder. There is a cylindrical pipe. So I have length, that is height, I will call it. Diameter is 5 centimeter. Now there is a problem here. Diameter is 5 centimeter. What I need to do here is, yes, anyone?
सेंटीमीटर को
Sir,
भी मीटर
radius
में चेंज
निकालेंगे.
करेंगे.
One person is saying radius, other person is saying centimeter को meter में convert करना है, which is correct? Which one is correct? Do I need to find radius or do I first need to convert this
भैया
centimeter
हमें इसको
into meter?
पहले कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा.
Yes.
इसको
So
हम
we
पहले
will
कन्वर्ट
convert it.
करेंगे.
So I will divide it by 100. I will be left with 0.05 meter. Okay. And see, we need to find curved surface area. Whenever there is curved surface area, the formula is 2 pi RH. You actually need not to calculate the radius because 2r is actually d. You can actually write the formula as pi dh. Okay, in terms of diameter. So 22 by 7, and instead of writing decimals, how about I use this term only? This will make my calculation more easy. Now height is 28, 7 times 4, 4 times 25, 5 times 5, 22 divided by 5 is 4 point.
ये 4.4 मीटर स्क्वायर.
Was I too quick at this one or do I need to repeat it? Yes. Should I repeat it? Calculation समझ आई सबको?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, good. So my question number 8 is also done. Now I need you to mark question number 9 as important in your exercise. I haven't marked anything important till now in second exercise. Apart from this question, that was the revolution one. This one is also important. Whenever you do this exercise, make sure to do these two questions again and again and again. Okay. So let's go for question number 9. Okay. I hope you people are with your NCRT books, not just looking at your screens. 80% of you must be looking at only your screens. Actually, in the online system, we can actually work without books, kind of, because we have everything online, right? Why we need to buy books? But it's always a good idea to work with hard copy. Like if I read a novel or something, I can find it on online as well. But when I touch the pages of the novel, like I have this novel that I'm reading, I don't know where it is. So when I touch the pages of the novel, it gives a different kind of vibe. That's kind of a vibe I get from the maths books. So I have like कुछ बच्चों की बुक्स छुपी हुई है मेरे पास. पता नहीं 5th 6th 7th 8th की मैंने फेंकी नहीं है, मेरे पास है वो. Because sometimes कोई भी छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं तो उन उसको पढ़ने में मजा आता है पुरानी बुक से, अलग ही वाइब आती है बुक से. So question number 9. The lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is itna diameter and this is height. So I have a closed cylindrical storage tank for petrol and the diameter is this. Do I need to find the radius?
No, भैया.
Why? Why I don't need to find?
Guys, मैं वो कल surface area निकाल लेना तुम
Then how about you people do it? How about you people do it? Quickly
idea.
calculate it for me. Put the values and calculate it for me. Yes, I will. I am waiting.
Base 59.4 meter square.
What about others? Waiting for everyone.
नहीं ये ना
Quickly do it. Quickly. We need to finish this exercise today. Quickly do it. Yes, Vaibhav. मुझे नहीं चाहिए 500 रुपए में जो भी आ रहा है, ठीक है, म्यूट कर लो. यस भाई, एक ही बच्चे ने सॉल्व किया, बाकी क्या कर रहे हैं? लेट्स डांस और व्हाट?
Sir, 59.4.
59.4. Okay, that was the same answer as Vaibhav, I guess, right? What about others? Kamna, Anirudh, Shashank, and Yash? Do you have your answers?
Sir, 59.4.
Good. I hope you have done it instead of just calling it out. So it's the same fashion. I hope you people are aware of this now. I put the value of pi before. I don't know why, but it's okay. 4.2 diameter and h is 4.5. Now let's do this. 10, 7 times 6, 5 times 9, 5 times 2, 2 times 11. And let's multiply all this stuff. 66 times 9 divided by 10. If I multiply 66 by 9, I will get 4. 6 9 is 54. Then 59 divided by 10. The decimal will come here because of 1 0. So it will be 59.4 meters square. So my first part is done. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
भैया. Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
see, the second question is a quite tricky one, and you may observe this in your future classes among your friends that they are not able to do second part because it is very difficult to understand it once you not pay attention. Okay, so I need you to pay a bit of attention here for the second one, because if you don't pay attention, you may never understand this second part ever. So let's understand this, what it is trying to tell us. How much steel was actually used? How much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the thing? Okay, who can tell me what is trying to tell us?
भैया इसमें कहा है कि कितना हमारे पास स्टील
यूज हुआ है. अगर 1/12 स्टील जो है एक टैंक में बनाने के लिए यूज हुआ है तो
It's like Vaibhav is like Kapil Dev. He just converts everything into Hindi. Okay, मेरे को थोड़ा 2 मिनट तो एक कॉल आ रही है. हेलो, यस बच्चे, गुड इवनिंग. हाँ हाँ, आ जाओ, ले जाओ कार्ड. हाँ, recharged है वो already. I recharged it today only for you. Okay, no need to worry. Okay. Yeah. See, that's kind of a bond I like with my high school students. She needed a metro card and she called me up that, Bhaiya, I need a metro card for tomorrow. Do help me out. She trusted me with that. That's good. I'm not giving metro cards to anyone of you, but I don't have that much. So let's go to question number second. How much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? See, I'm going to make you understand this question, but I want to like to ask you people instead, because if you people tell me what you are getting from this, so you won't make any misconceptions in the future. अगर तुम अभी बताते हो कि क्या मतलब तुम समझ रहे हो, तो जो भी तुम गलत करोगे मैं उसको सही कर सकता हूँ और फिर तुम उसे कभी गलत नहीं करोगे. लेकिन if I just put it out, so you will surely make some kind of mistake in the future. So what you can understand, just try to tell me. कुछ तो सामने आ रहा होगा. How much steel was actually
सर
used
की
in this
1/12 पार्ट उस स्टील का तो वेस्ट हो गया टैंक को बनाने के लिए, तो कितना पार्ट यूज हुआ उसको बनाने के लिए?
Okay. So if I just put it out for you, like, let me take a page instead of what? Instead of a steel. Okay. So can you people see this steel instead of paper? Consider this is a steel. Okay. This is a steel. Steel. Okay. This is steel. Can we people see this steel?
यस सर.
Yes, भैया.
You don't need to tell me it's made of paper. Okay, it's steel for now. So what is happening? I actually took some steel. Okay, I actually took some steel. Then I kind of was making a tank. Okay, tank is always closed. Okay, in the first section it was open because we only talked about curved surface area, but tank will always be closed. If you have to like transfer it somewhere else, it has to have a bottom. It will always have a bottom and it will always have a top. Okay, so I will use the steel to make a cylinder. So what I will do while welding it or doing some kind of craft work or bending it something, I kind of wasted 1/12. Suppose I have X steel that I took. Okay, I have this X steel that I took. Now what I did, I kind of wasted 1/12 of it. This is my 1/12 part of this. Suppose, okay. So I kind of wasted it in making my tank. Okay, I'm going to like throw it out because I'm wasting it. Okay, I'm wasting it. Now I drew a cylinder, closed cylinder. Okay, I kind of used this somewhere how in making the bottom and the top. Okay, so I kind of wasted it and I developed a closed cylindrical tank with it. So what is happening right now? What is happening right now? If I have to say in mathematical terms, I took X meter square of a steel and I wasted X12 of it, and the area that is actually used is used in making total surface area of cylinder. How many of you got this? Yes.
ये समझ आ गया.
Yes, sir.
आ गया
Yes.
सर.
Yes, सबको सामने आ गया.
Yes, भैया.
कोई मेरे को
Yes, sir.
समझाए फिर ये कि क्या मैंने बताया instead of using steel obviously.
भैया इस
Not Weber,
भैया
not
इसमें
Weber,
क्या है?
not Weber. I don't need Kapil Dev. Someone else.
सर इस वाले में क्या है कि एक सिलेंडर बनाया है, तो उसके लिए हमने उस स्टील्स के उसकी 1/12 तो उसकी हमने वेस्ट कर दी, और बाकी जो है उससे हमने उसको सिलेंडर को बनाया, तो वही
Very
उसका
good.
बताना है.
So while we were preparing that total surface area, 1/12 got wasted from that X part. So this is the part that I wanted to explain. And this will surely help you out to make you people different from other students. Okay. So let's solve this out. First, let's calculate total surface area of this cylinder. So what is the formula for total surface area of cylinder?
I R square H.
आज ये चांटा खाएगा, इस वैभव को घर से निकालो, ये चांटा खाएगा आज मेरे. वॉल्यूम में लगा हुआ है जब से. पाई आर स्क्वायर एच भैया, पाई आर स्क्वायर एच क्या हो गया?
The total surface
Pi r
area.
square h is the volume of the cylinder. We haven't talked about it. 2 pi r h plus r is my total surface area. How did I came about this? 2 pi r is curved surface area. Pi r square plus pi r square, the area of the top one, the area of the bottom one. This will be total surface area. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. If I take out 2 pi r common, so this will be h plus r left. So this is my total surface area. Is this clear to everyone? Weber.
Yes,
Remove
भैया.
that. See, this is a misconception
Yes, sir.
I was talking about. So 2 pi r h plus r. So let's just calculate it quickly. 2 pi r. So I need to calculate r because I need to put it here. So I need to calculate. So radius will be half of it. 4.2 will be 2.1. So I can put d here. That will be 4.2 for me. That will be 22/7. And h was 4.5 and r was 2.1.
4.5.
And this will be, if I take the LCM, it will be 12 x minus x, that is 11x by 12, isn't it? 11x by 12. Let's solve this one for x. Okay, I need my x. What part of steel was actually used? It is asked in the question, right? So let's do this more. Okay, I can do 7 times 6 is 42, right? And then I can do few more things, but I need to slow my calculations down for you to understand. By 10. Now 4.5 plus 2.1, 2.1 is 6.6. Okay, it's 6.6. So I divide it again. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the value of x. Now calculation looks a bit tricky, but it isn't actually. It's just your thoughts. So x will be, if I cross multiply 12 by 11, reciprocal हो जाएगा जाके. 22, 10, 66, 10. So 11
So
times.
13.8.
So 12, 13.8. Let's see. 36. I
Yes.
don't know. मेरा तो बड़ा सा लग रहा है. Maybe छोटा. So other people calculate it. Tell me the answer for this. I'm not doing calculations for you. I need you to practice this. And this link may end. You may have to join another one. Okay. So quickly do this calculation. Tell me the value for x.
भैया 95.04 भैया